In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to get rid of your roach problem effectively without trying everything under the sun, like DIY hacks, pest control. I know you tried all that, it didn't work. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what I do to get rid of roaches and what I show my clients to do to get rid of roaches to help you get rid of them efficiently and fast, right? Disclaimer, this will take work to do. It's not going to be an overnight sensation. It's going to be a lot of work up front, but if you do get through it, if you do fight through it, you will get rid of your roach problems. If you need help with anything in this video, I'm leaving a link to my community down below. It's completely free. You can join, ask me questions, and I'll be there to help you personally to get rid of your roach problem with you, right? Besides that, let's get into the video. The first thing you want to know, what you want to do, is locate where the roaches are mainly at. Now, you might see roaches in all your home, everywhere, but I will tell you there's few locations that you see them mainly in, like the kitchen, bathroom, wherever it may be. And a good indication is to see what kind of roaches are in those areas. If you see females and babies, you know you are close to a location where a nesting area is, because females and babies don't leave the nest. Males do, to look for food, resources, and other potential nesting areas. So if you see males in one room, he can just be wandering looking for new locations. But if you see babies and females, you know you're close to the nesting location. And once you do see that, mark it down. We want to keep these things mentally or physically wrote down, so when we go to treat, we know exactly where to treat. We're not spraying the whole house if we don't need to. Well, limiting the chemicals in your home, we do not want to spray more than we have to, right? That's the first step, is locating exactly where the roaches are going and coming from. That's the first thing. It's pretty simple. Yes, a lot of work to locate throughout the whole home, but I promise you, if you do it, it makes everything easier, right? Number two, in those areas that you do see those roaches, I want you to clean and make it so uncomfortable for them to do so. So that means removing food, moving water, any standing water, anything like that, food bowls, water bowls. We want it bone dry so they can't get anything. We want it to be a desert for them to get anything. That's the second thing I want you to do, is clean those areas, declutter everything, make sure it's perfect. Not to be perfect, but you know what I mean, clean. That's number two. Number three is when we start implementing everything we used, right? The chemicals you brought, depending on what you use, bait, spray, and an IGR. I will say for a spray, do not use a repellent. We want a non-repellent spray to get rid of the roaches. If you use a repellent, all you're going to do is push them into the wall and they hide from the spray. It's not doing anything. Like Raid is a bad example to get. We do not want to use Raid. Throw it away if you got it. It makes everything worse in the long run. Non-repellent spray like Alpine WSG is a very good option, very less toxic than most chemicals you can use, but I would say WXG, then Gentrol for the IGR, which basically is the insect growth regulator, will stop roaches from growing to adulthood to reproduce. That's what you want. Now, where you treat these areas is where you see the most activity, where the babies and females are. You want to spray around that area, behind appliances, under appliances, especially microwaves, especially ovens, especially refrigerators, and behind refrigerators, behind those things as well, because that's where they mainly nest at, because the microwave has a generator, or it may be an engine, whatever it may be, a battery that's warm, to keep them under there, and it keeps them warm. They have food, shelter. You want to spray under there. So spray under there and treat those areas efficiently to get rid of the roaches, right? And then bait, you want to place the bait in certain locations around those areas so they can get the bait and they can kill them as well. That's what you really want to do. So spray locations where they're mainly are located, not the whole house if you don't have to. I try to limit the chemicals as much as possible to help you and help the people around you not get sick from the chemicals inside your home. That's number three. The spraying, it takes you 10 to 15 minutes to spray, not too long. Number four is just to note the difference, right? Throughout the week, when you spray, know how they act. Are they more active? Are they less active? Are they getting the bait or not getting the bait? And then just write down exactly what's going on in your home so you can properly adjust and change certain things to fit the program you're using to treat, And I'll also would rather say treat every 7 to 10 days to get rid of them properly, and not have them easily reproduce or, you know, keep growing as they do. And that's what this maintain and note the difference of what's going on. And then the last step is 5 is keep going. Keep doing this process, keep doing this process. It could take 3 months, it could take 4 months, it could take a year. No matter what it is, you keep going until you get to the results you want, which most of you guys want no roaches. So you keep going until you get that result. You do not stop. You do not give up. You keep going to get rid of those roaches. And like I said, if you need any help with anything like this, I'm leaving a link in the description below to my free community that you can go down and ask me questions. I can talk to you personally, whatever it may be. I'm here for you to help you and to guide you to this process. I helped other people get rid of the roaches in just 3 months. It's not a hard thing to do. It just takes effort to do it. Like I said, that's all it takes. It's the effort, effort, effort. And that's how you get rid of roaches in your home. And I'll see you guys later. Like I said, if you need anything, link up below. I'm there if you need me. I'll see you guys later. See ya.